Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to be showcasing two New York-based brands. As a New Yorker, you guys know that I love to feature New York local brands. And these brands I featured on my channel before in the past, so you know that I am a fan. One is Royce, which is a leather company, and they're often seen in Saks Fifth Avenue and other large department stores. And the other is Parisa Wang, which is a handbag company. They've also expanded to jewelry and clothes recently. So as you can see, I've got a lot of goodies here. I've got exclusive codes for you. They're having massive sales. So Royce is having a big sale right now for the holidays, but I have a 40% off code that is exclusive to you guys, Catwalk 40, for 40% off any of their items on their website. Plus you get free shipping and free monogramming. And then Parisa Wang, you know I always have a code as well that is Hannah12, and you get an additional 12% off on top of the sale that they have going on. I believe it's the biggest sale of the year for Parisa Wang during the holidays, and I think it lasts through Cyber Monday, so the time is kind of short. So if you've been eyeing a Parisa Wang bag, definitely use my coupon code on top so you can save an additional 12% on top of the already discounted prices. So I'm going to just quickly go into these right here. And I'm going to be really fast because I'm actually filming on Thanksgiving morning and my whole family is here and we're about to head out to celebrate with the rest of my extended family. So, okay, look at, oh gosh. So this is a beautiful croc embossed leather keychain. This can be for men, women, obviously unisex, and they have nicely monogrammed my initials here in silver, HP, and the back is blank. Obviously, you can get it without monogramming if you wanted to do that, but this could be a great teacher's gift, husband, boyfriend, sister, cousin, aunt. So many people can use this nice little keychain. It comes with this cute little box here, so let's leave that open. And I believe they sent me, it was a surprise, I didn't know what they were going to send me. I believe they sent me all of their best sellers from their croc collection. So, oh, you guys know I love card holders. And this one is in black. So this is a beautiful flat card holder. It's got one card slot here, and then it's got another in the back, very malleable and soft. And then you've got the main compartment here. Wait, is there another? Oh, there's another pocket here. So this main compartment is split into two. That's actually really clever. So you've got more space. And then again, you can have it monogrammed this time in the gold lettering. Really simple, really pretty, really flat actually. So you can put this in a small bag or in your pocket and it won't be bulky. So this is really nice. You can see the shine on the croc here. And I will be sure to link everything down below so they don't have to go hunting for these exact items. But even the items that I don't feature are on sale. And of course, you can use my exclusive promo code to get that 40% with the free shipping and the monogramming service. Oh, I really like this. I think it's a passport cover. Let me see. Yes, it is. It's so soft, the leather, you guys. Oh, I wish you could feel this. It's like buttery, buttery, smooth, soft. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots here. You've got this compartment for your passport. Yes, this is really handy. It's embossed here. It says Royce, New York. Really nice, and of course, you know it's mine because it's got my initials. I kind of wish I had gotten a few without my initials monogram because then I can share with my family, but it's okay. So I'll leave that out. Let's move on to the bigger ones. Everything is so beautifully wrapped. Love these blue boxes. I remember a while back I did a giveaway with a croc embossed tote from Royce, which was nice. I think my giveaway winner was Alicia, if my memory serves me correctly. Okay, so this is so cool. What is this? Interesting. So you've got, let me see. So these are two separate compartments. They are not connected. So you can put some stuff in here and then on the other side as well. Okay, and then on the other side there's more. So there's 4 separate zippered compartments. This is great for travel. You can put your travel documents, your IDs. You can put your cords. Right? You can even put your cords in your charger. I mean, it might pucker up a little bit, but I love the zippers and how colorful. So yellow, green, it's like a raspberry red, and then navy here. Very nice, smooth zippers. Again, that beautiful, shiny croc embossed leather, and then you've got my monogramming there. I like this. This is so interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. If you're looking for a cool gift, definitely check out this piece here, check out their website, and then the final Royce piece is in this box. What could it be? It's a square box. What is this? Oh, Oh, I know what this is. It's like those little catch-alls. This is so soft too, and it's cushiony. It's like padded. Look at the back. So this, let's see if I'm doing, yes. This is great for jewelry, your keys. Actually, I know exactly where I'm going to put this, right in my foyer. When we walk in, we have this hallway table, and I can put my coins, my keys, hair ties even. Little things, sometimes I just take off my jewelry. I can plop it in. Look at that. This is so nice. This is really nice. And I love that you can personalize it. These are just nice quality gifts that you can get for so many people in your life. So happy to share this, and so happy that Royce was willing to give me an exclusive code for 40%, you guys. I can't believe it. 40% off, free shipping, and free monogramming. So let's leave these out. Actually, let me clear these, and then I'll open the Parisa Wang bags. All right, let's start with this one on the right. I don't know which one this one is, but love the light blue packaging. Always Parisa Wang does it really nicely. They always give you this canvas tote bag. So it's like multi-purpose. It's not like a regular dust bag. It's actually a tote with handles. So isn't that cool? You can use this. So here we go. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty, this color. This cream color is so pretty, you guys. So this is Epsom leather. I actually wanted to try Epsom leather. You guys know Hermes makes a few of their bags in Epsom leather, known to be very, very durable. And it's in this gorgeous cream color with the brassy gold hardware. Let's see here. So I think I have to figure out. Okay, so you see that? There's a little push. Oh, that's easy. Okay. Very easy and very secure. This color is so pretty. So I'm going to have to be quick about this, and I will absolutely do follow-up videos with more detailed reviews, but I wanted to hurry up and make this video go live before the sale ends. So you've got a zippered compartment back there and then an open pocket here, and it's beautiful. This is all the same matching leather, and then on the bottom here is like this micro suede. It's very soft. And then there's a pocket here. There's a hidden pocket. This is so nice. This is great. So let me see, is there okay, no back pocket. You've got PW for Parisa Wang. So lately we've been talking a lot about affordable luxury, getting quality and value and better bang for your buck, and kind of going off the mainstream high-end designer brands. And I'm happy, so happy to share these brands with you, especially because they are New York brands. And here's the matching strap. Again, beautiful, beautiful stamped Epsom leather. Gorgeous details. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes adjustable to your liking. Of course, you have the extra tab here. Got to have the extra tab so that this strap is not dangling. This will be held down. Now, I'm not going to put this strap on because I want to get through the other 2 bags, but it goes right through here. And you know what I actually like? Because of the way they designed it, you can actually just carry this as a clutch. And there's no way to know that the strap was taken off. It's nice and clean. It's like the Chanel wallet on chain. The Walk has this tube running through it, which I've shown millions of times. So you can actually, if you wanted to play with this, you can take this off, and you can even put another, like a gold chain on here, if you wanted to dress it up and play with it. So love that. And this is a great size, you guys. It reminds me of, it's a little bit smaller than my Celine Classic box bag, which is the medium size, which is a little bit on the bulkier side. I think this is a really great everyday size. Let's see what's in this one here. I am sweating because I'm excited, but also because I'm going through this pretty quickly. I didn't want you to miss the sale, and I don't want to keep my family waiting too long because we are going to head out, as I said, as we are going to celebrate family time for Thanksgiving today. Oh, this color is so cool. What? This color is super cool. They're doing a nice job with the colors, you guys. This cream is beautiful, soft. This is like a rich, grayish steel, but also has like brownish taupe undertones to it. This is a really cool shade, and it's different leather. So this is softer. This is softer leather, I could tell immediately. And this is the Epsom, which is known to be more structured, a little bit more rigid. I mean, it's not super, like, you can see it's got give as well. It feels quite nice. So it's a matter of preference, but you can see that the cream one is smaller than this gray one. So there's a size difference as well. So that's great. You have options. This is so cool. And I think this is slightly Yeah, it's a slightly updated design where there isn't that push lock feature on the cream one. It's just a simple magnet. So perhaps that's a little easier for some of us. And then I love this embellishment here. A lot of you said that it reminds you of Ferragamo. And some of you said the other Parisa Wang bags that I've shared with you remind you of the Hermes Kelly. And some said the Lady Dior. So there are a lot of details that many designers seem to share, like universal details that look good. So here you've got a great, nice, spacey open pocket, main compartment here, and then you've got the zipper. And again, the zipper is very smooth, very nice. This is so nice. There's a little cap here. Let's see. Oh, that feels good. Okay. So this one, the larger one, does have a back pocket. That's always bonus. You guys know I love a nice back pocket. So the difference between these two is the leather is different. This is the softer leather, both grainy, but this is more, I think this is the Epsom. And then this is softer calf leather, I believe. And the magnet closure, and then it's larger capacity, and it's got the back pocket. So those are the details that I wanted to point out. And again, you can use my promo code for an additional 12% off, even if the items are already on sale. So if you go onto the Parisa Wang website and you find a bag that you like and it's on sale, you put in my code Hannah12 and you get an additional 12% off on top, okay, regardless of the sale. So that's super generous. I don't get anything for these codes, guys. These are not affiliate codes, not for Parisa Wang and not for Royce. I'm just sharing in the spirit of sharing because I love being able to talk about these brands, and also if you can save money, why not, right? So here again, you've got a really nice strap. Now this is different. The strap is connected on the outside, so it's not like the cream one where you've got the tube on the inside, okay? So this is not going to come off. This is not removable. So that's another difference. But let's see here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. Very nice. Adjustable. Okay. So put that there. And then the last one is in here. This is so exciting. Feel really grateful, really, for everything in my life, for my life, you know, the people in my life, and the blessings and everything, but also feel grateful for YouTube. Holy cow, look at this color. What? I do not own a burgundy bag. This is so pretty. I'm really grateful for brands like Parisa Wang and Royce for collaborating with me, for partnering with me, for being generous. And I'm so thankful, obviously, for you guys, my beautiful, amazing, wonderful, supportive community here. This is so pretty. Let's take this off. Oh my gosh. Now this kind of looks like the Kelly also. This is so ladylike and polished. So this color is a dream, you guys. It's got the back pocket. Okay, it's got very subtle branding here, PW. So pretty. I'll take that off later. Then you've got the feet. These have feet. Makes sense because this is a top handle bag that needs to sit up. So these have feet. You just take these little things off. You've got feet right there. Really nice. Oh my gosh, so it's got the little push feature like the cream colored bag. And let's open it up. Okay, so here's what it looks like. You can feel it already. The inside is really smooth, soft. It's that matching color. So here it is, and then you've got an open pocket back here as well. Wow, so pretty. So pretty. Let me see these. Okay, this is the strap. Let me quickly open the strap here. It's like a wine color. It's like my nails. Hold on. Very nice. Okay. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I mean, oh my gosh. Okay, so it's got this. Oh, I see. So you've got the clasp here, and then it goes right onto here. Yeah, it reminds me of the Kelly for sure. Here and here. Or you can just wear it top handle without the strap. Love the versatility of this. Looks super chic. My goodness, Parisa Wang has outdone themselves with these 3 bags. Holy cow. I'm going to have to do follow-up reviews and comparison videos, and also, whoops. And there you have it. So beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it in any way, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.